I'm not finished yet. I am not finished yet. Now I'm going to pack my personal item. Think of it as like a backpack or something you would take on board if you were going to be flying. And so I want this to be in the car with me, but not necessarily something that I would take into a restaurant or something that I would take with me if I'm hiking. So that's what this is. This is my purse. It's going to have my money, reading glasses, my sunglasses, my phone, keys, ID, credit cards, things like that. That's what goes in this crossbody bag that I'm going to be taking. And I did decide to take the one that has the RFID protection, the one that has the locking zippers, and it is a little padded, which I think will be actually the best for me to take my camera in. So let's get into some of the things that I'm taking that you might not think about typically, but on a 3-week road trip, I'm going to need some of these things, or I think I'm going to need some of these things, and they don't take up a lot of space. So they're all going in my, what would be a backpack, but my personal travel bag. Not my suitcase that has all of my clothes, but my personal travel bag. So first of all, here's my Kindle. I don't need this in my purse. I'm just going to put this in the travel bag. Also, I have an extra pair of sunglasses. I have a pair of sunglasses that I will have in my purse, but this is an extra pair, a just-in-case pair. I don't know if you've ever been on vacation and lost your sunglasses, and then you wind up buying those cheap sunglasses. Well, I have a couple of nice pair of glasses that I might as well bring. They're not super expensive, but they're quite nice. So I have one pair that's going to go in my purse, and I have one pair in the travel bag. My phone is going to go in my purse, so that can go over there. I have an extra key to the vehicle. This is going to go in my purse, because if I'm with my purse and the vehicle has the key locked inside, then I don't want this to be in my travel bag, which is possibly locked inside the vehicle also. I have a hat. You never know where you're going to be, and you're going to need a little hat. So this is going to go in the travel bag. I have some instant coffee. Now I did put them in a little Ziploc, so I don't need to bring the whole cardboard with me. But if you have a certain kind of coffee that you like, it's worth bringing it. I also have some powdered cream, and it's very much like the powdered creamer that you would put in your coffee, but it's actually like a freeze-dried creamer. And so I'm going to add a Ziploc baggie with a little baby scoop, or maybe a couple of disposable spoons, and bring that with me. So if I am somewhere it's not convenient to get a cup of coffee, but I feel like having one, I'm going to have these. Maybe you're wondering, what is that? This is a mirror. And this is a mirror that I really wanted to get. It has an LED light, and it has a port for charging it, so I don't have to worry about batteries. It will sit up. See how that works? So you can angle it as needed. You also can adjust the lighting. So that's nice. There we go. And what I really like is that it will hang. So now you have a lighted mirror that can be hung off of the shower head if you need it for shaving. I think it might be 10 times. It's pretty magnified. So it's going to be pretty easy to do my makeup, put my contacts in, whatever I may need to do. And I got it on Amazon, and it was less than 30 bucks. I got it specifically for this trip. You want to see something else that's kind of nice about bringing this mirror with me? You can see inside my bag. So just by having that on, I can see and find what I'm looking for inside my pouch. Not to mention that it's a great light at night too, if I'm trying to find something. So, hey, I'm gonna love this lighted mirror. Two items made by Sweet Leaf, which means they are sweetened with stevia. One is just a very simple, clear stevia drops. I like to have a little bit of that in my coffee in the morning. And this one is called water drop. They say, just like it sounds, they go in your water just to add a little flavor. And I try to drink a lot of water during the day. And sometimes when you're out and about and you get water, it may be okay to drink, but it doesn't taste like the water you're used to. So I'm going to bring these just in case. These are going in my travel case as well. Now, since I am going to be filming during this entire adventure, I need to have some camera supplies. So this is my camera case. It's a padded case. It makes it pretty easy to find everything. I keep certain items for one camera in here. Brick, which means I won't run out of battery power. I have cables. And then I will also have two cameras with me, and that will fit in here as well. This is going to go with me. This is the sleeve that my tripod fits into. It's roughly 2 feet long, and it won't quite fit all the way in my bag. It will stick out a little bit, but for the most part, it's going to be in the car with me in case I need it. I'm not going to pack this in my suitcase. I want it available in case I need to set up a shoot somewhere. If I weren't filming, then I wouldn't need all of this. I would still just have my bag, but that's okay. It's worth it, right? You get to see where I'm going. In addition to a thermal insulated cup that I will keep in the car, I'm going to take this one because you can seal it. So if I wind up doing any hiking or something where I want to take some water with me, I will have this. The nice thing about this bag too, I might say, it has a zipper closure. You can make it a short strap like that to hook over maybe the end of my suitcase and wheel the whole thing into the hotel room. Or I can extend it and make it longer. It has pouches on both sides for cups, or it's a really handy bag, and it has a lot of pockets inside. I always have a scarf. You never know when you might need that. It adds a little fun splash of color. So that is my personal bag. I'm going to have my purse packed. There are things that I'm going to pack in the car. Never know when you might need it. So to be continued, because I still have packing to do.